super high.
Yeah, them people high, but they on crap, but they don't hear them gun sound. Yeah, but they gon' travel here, cause them Glocko out. Yeah, them Glocko bow. Yeah, bro, yeah, we bustin' block, cause we always on the yeah, them guns be loud, cause they ain't even on the, cause that Glock 19X, we bustin' they block forever, let that boy try me, he get shot, and he just a snitch. If he try me, he get put a foul, in that face, let it remix, cause the Glock on hit, yeah, let that boy try me, he get put on that Glock, let it do try me, he get punched in the face, let it do try me, and he just a little YN, but them little boys, they know nothing, cause on some, I'm on something, let them boys try me, they get popped in their face, let it show that I'm on something, yeah, show them that I'm on something, they get popped with the Glock. 18C, cause the Glock go crazy, cause we ready with the Glock, yeah, we going crazy, yeah, but ain't no Freddy, ain't no FN, ain't nothing, cause it's a better be than y'all ain't even know nothing. Gucci Louis, Gucci Slides, they ain't even know nothing, yeah, Gucci Slides ain't get you nothing, cause they sound some Glocks, I just made a loud sound and then the Glock go out, bah. Yeah, the Glock go crazy cause they ain't even know nothing, cause I just went 80 on this dashboard. If you try with me, that Durango, yeah, we going fast in it. In that Hellcat, in that SR2, we going fast. Let a boy look try me, he get popped in his face. Then I pop a Zenny on his face, let it do try me. Yeah, that Glock go 555 on his face, and then his bullet holes in his face, Face you myself. Yeah, cause y'all ain't even know nothing. I smoke weed cause y'all just high, y'all ain't know nothing. Y'all ain't even up as me, but I got Glock and then I'm show something. Let that little boy try me, he get popped in his face. Let that dude try me, let that flip Swiss cheese. Yeah, that boy try me. Chopper going crazy, cause y'all don't know nothing. Cause I'm going 80 on that dashboard. Little dude ain't know nothing. Pop you in your face cause I hit a Zenny. Pop the Zenny in your face cause you ain't saying nothing. Let that little boy try me. Popped in his face. Yeah, show him that I'm on something. Let a little boy try me, he get popped. Just like how I pop the Zenny, he really ain't on nothing. I just bought the Glock with extended clips. Yeah, I just popped the Zenny cause they ain't on nothing, cause they be training y'all. Yeah, too trendy. But I don't care cause there's a Glock with a Fenny. Glock go crazy cause the choppers go going crazy. Yeah, they'll let that dude try me. Yeah, he get popped like a Zenny. With the Glock, let that little boy try me. He get popped, in his face, let a little boy try me. He get popped in his face. No, he ain't saying nothing. Let that Glock go crazy. And then we screaming, let's go. Let's go. Then that Hellcat though. Little boy try me again. Little boy.